how to wire in a resistor for the airbags on your seats. A couple of weeks ago I put these VXR Recaro seats in. Welcome back to Kei and Bill. Today's video is quite a short one, just going to show you how to wire in a resistor for the airbags on your seats. A couple of weeks ago I put these VXR Recaro seats in. These seats, the airbags had gone, so obviously there's no airbags in the seats, which I'm not worried about anyway, but I currently have an airbag light on the dash. So to fix that, I picked up a set of resistors. So these are actually 3.3 ohm resistors. I'll put a link in the description for where you can get them. This is going to be sort of a temporary fix. I may end up changing these seats to something else later down the line, so I don't want to mess with the wiring too much. So these resistors are going to be pushed into the connectors. I'm going to zip tie and insulation tape them into place to make sure they don't come out. But let me show you how to wire them in. So underneath the seat you will have some wiring. The airbag one is usually this yellow connector. This is the passenger side, which has brown, blue and white. The other side I believe then has green, brown and white. So what we have to do is put these connectors into the coloured wires, avoiding the brown. So on the passenger side we just need to add the connector into the top there for the blue and the white. So that is the passenger seat wired in. Just have to do exactly the same now on the driver's side. It's a little bit more awkward to get to as the steering wheel is in the way, but just connect in the two wires that aren't the brown wires. Please make sure to go and do your own research, as if you have any other different colours on your van or anything for any reason, then make sure to check online the wiring. But for this van is a 2016 2-litre DSG. This does work. So as you can see there, we currently have the airbag light on. Just going to get the other resistor wired in. Once I've wired in the passenger one, I'm just going to take it to someone who has a code reader which can remove it. Once it's been removed, I'll show you on the dash that the light is gone. But that is it. It's pretty straightforward. If you're going to be doing this as more permanent, then I probably cut and crimp the wires together, but this is only a temporary thing for me, as I may change these seats going down the line, so I don't really want to mess with the wiring too much. And I also may go back to standard seats when I sell the van, so if it means I can keep the standard wire in there as is, ready for standard seats, then that's what I'll do. But that is it. The airbag light is now gone. I did have help of Stan, the VW Caddy man, I think his name is, on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram link in the description as well. If you're putting seats in which have airbags, which you want wired in, he does have wiring looms which he can make up. You just need to get photos of your connectors. But if you want to just put a resistor in, this is how it can be done. He is a bit of a guru when it comes to VW Caddies and the wiring. But that is it. We hope you've enjoyed the video, and we will catch you in the next one.